If you are yet to get your cleaning business insurance, we strongly recommend you do that now. Staff illnesses, theft, property damage, and physical injury are just a few of the risks that put a cleaning company's financial stability at risk if it isn't insured. Insurance is designed to protect you from the negative consequences of these risks, allowing you to stay in business even after a disaster occurs. As we continue, we encourage you to please like, share and subscribe to watch more of these videos. Insurance is sometimes merged together, yet it provides many types of protection. Simply put, insurance protects your clients from theft, as well as your firm and employees from risks including physical injury, damage to property, and lawsuits. Investigate your cleaning company's needs. To begin, you'll need to understand your insurance needs. What type of risks do you want to be protected from? After that, it is important to familiarize yourself with the requirements and documents insurance agencies in your area will likely ask for. At the basic level, you'll need a cleaning business license, which the agency in charge of issuing such licenses will go over in detail the necessary insurance coverage required by the business. Also, if you're going to hire tools and equipment to do cleaning duties, some hiring organizations may demand contractual agreements and insurance coverage, while others may not, depending on their policies. Set an insurance budget. Like other types of insurance packages, cleaning business insurance has certain limits, depending on the type and size of the business. As a result, you'll need to figure out how much coverage your firm can afford and compare the expenses against the risks it faces. Don't be tempted to lower your insurance coverage because of cost. It sounds penny-wise, but it will most likely cost you more should an unforeseen incident occur. Focus on the most serious risks. Choosing the right insurance for your business can be a lot of work. To ease the process, we advise you to consider the most serious risks first. Yes, there are tons of risks involved in this line of business, but some can be ranked higher than others. For instance, you definitely want coverage on damages to customers' property, clients' injuries, employees' injuries, and the company's vehicle. These risks may not be covered by a single package, but you must ensure there is proper coverage for each of these. Investigate the insurance firm thoroughly. It is important to do your homework before working with an insurance broker or buying an insurance package. Ensure the company is transparent about its fees and taxes, as well as the types of coverage they provide. Also, take the time to read through their terms and conditions. Some of these companies hide certain information in the clauses. Don't be in a hurry. You definitely want to check their responsiveness to claims too, because some insurance companies aren't as eager to pay claims as they are when collecting monthly premiums. For help and coverage, contact an insurer. After you've decided which type of cleaning business insurance is right for you, you're prepared to submit your insurance application. You may acquire many insurance quotes from reputable providers by answering a few simple questions about your business, as well as premium prices that may vary depending on the coverage you choose. Bonus tips. Examine premium prices. Finally, it's a good idea to research pricing from several insurance companies to get the best offer that provides a larger range of coverage for both you and your employees. Insurance might look like another channel to waste money, but you will appreciate the role it plays when an incident occurs. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your company with the right cleaning business insurance today. You will be happy you did. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 5 steps to create a profitable cleaning business. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.